Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. This one is unbelievable. So we had a Mercedes dealership the other day sign up for one of our 2-day in-dealership promotional events. That's where we come to the dealership for 2 days at a discounted rate and we train so they can be exposed to what we do. They can hear and see how we can help them and what their deficiencies are in their dealership. As part of this training, before arriving, we actually mystery shopped their service departments. This was for service training. And I am now going to play for you a piece of this service call. Now, obviously, I've edited out the dealership name and the person's name because that is not fair to them. But listen to this, and when it's over, I will share some comments with you.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Yes, can I get a price? I have a 2019 E-Class sedan, and I want to do my front and rear brakes.
Okay. So just for labor, it is $637.50 per axle. So that's $637 for front, $637 for rear. Has the vehicle ever been here before?
No.
Do you have the VIN number? Parts would need it to be able to price out the brake pads and rotors.
I don't have that handy. I'd have to call back later on today.
Okay, yeah, so you'd have to give us a call back with that.
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
So you just heard the call. I called the dealership and I asked for a price on a brake job on a C-Class sedan. Well, she did not get any information on me, so she can't even follow up with me. She didn't get my name, my email address, my phone number, my contact information, anything. She just gave me a price for labor. I'm assuming she's reading off of a menu. Then told me she was going to transfer me to parts to get the price for the parts, but that I would need my VIN number. I told her I didn't have that handy. She said that they would need that in order to price out the parts. I said, okay, I'll just call back later with that information. And she said, okay, thank you, goodbye. And that's the end of the conversation. Forget the fact that you don't need a VIN number to give me a price. The second thing is why would you give me a price to begin with? You know, any place I'm going to shop is not going to give me a price, or if they do give me a price, they're going to give me a price lower than what you've quoted. I'm not going to call back with my VIN number. She didn't even ask me for an appointment. All she had to do was ask me why I thought I needed brakes. I would have told her. She would have said, well, you know what? It might not be brakes, could be something minor. Why don't we set up an appointment, have you bring it in? If it's a minor adjustment, we'll adjust it and send you on your way. If it's more elaborate, we'll give you an estimate. I probably would have made an appointment. Here's the best part of all. This dealership has decided to save the money on training, and they think they're going to fix it on their own. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. In 3 months from now, I'm going to call back that dealership again. And I will bet that they have not fixed and not changed anything. This was the easiest customer to get into the dealership that provided the highest customer pay return. To be honest with you, on this recap that we did for this dealership was leaving a little under $4.5 million on the table of unearned service revenue and profits. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Good luck, everybody.